lucky you were not live a mere 10 seconds ago. Something quite embarrassing would have happened for me or for Andy. You can guess, because we're both giggling like little school children. Anyway, guys, how are you today? My name is Gavin, the host. This is the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Andy Demi. If you're new to our group, we're doing a nice quick, it's coming up on my phone. Andy Demi is live now. London Trading Institute is live now on Facebook. We're live on YouTube and we're live on Share Vision. And surprise, surprise, Slav. He's there again. I love Slav. No one's beaten Slav he's going to go the whole year as an invincible. Love it. Right. Yes. Anyway, guys, hello to everybody else that's on the live. We can see you. And if you're watching the replay, hello to you guys again. We're coming to you live because we're doing a Black Friday Bitcoin update. But we've got to tell you about Black Friday, right? You know it's coming, so we might as well tell. I think we should tell them, Andy, don't you?
I think so. I mean, I bought a big microphone especially, but I haven't plugged it in. So you can see it in the background.
I was going to say, what? It looks... I'm sorry if your kids are watching.
But it's in the background.
If your kids are watching, cover their ears for what I'm about to say, which is it looks like a weird sex toy that you just forgot to put away.
No, it is a 2-in-1, absolutely.
2-in-1 what? Fill in the gap.
Exactly.
Okay, so guys, when we come live for you tomorrow, Andy will hopefully have his sex toy microphone plugged in.
You won't see it.
Sorry if you guys are about to have lunch as well. It may put you off your brunch or your late morning breakfast. But look, we have got Black Friday. We've got amazing deals coming up. We'll go into a little bit more detail in a minute, but let's jump into the Bitcoin update. On our live show a couple of days ago, Pips Like a Pro. No, it wasn't Pips Like a Pro, was it? Crypto Like a Pro.
We did an
all the day.
Oh, maybe it was. No, Crypto Like a Pro.
Crypto Like a Pro. Every day it is going into one. It's crazy. What
we were speaking about, guys, is this kind of, so if just a quick summary for anybody that missed it, you know, what I was kind of looking back over here is these this sequence of higher highs and higher lows, which ended up kind of ending when we took out this low. And so I want to aware that we should be very wary of the fact that we've had this big push up, higher high, and we've taken out this low. So right now, we're looking at two scenarios. One is this here becomes a great buy zone. You know, I had a trend line drawn in here. We've got the 200 moving average, and there's a lot of things going for this level. You know, if you want all the details, go back and watch what we did before, but I'm not going to break that down again. But this is a great, interesting area. And then we also spoke about, well, as it did here, if this is going to potentially go down, it did have a big rally first. And so we kind of drew our fibs in and identified this kind of block up here, you know, around 63 to 65,000 as an area to kind of watch out for in case the market did start to go up and again makes a lower high and then potentially does that. Okay, so that's something to kind of just keep an eye on. Now, right now, it looks like there's a little bit of green happening. We're still below this red 50 EMA, so it's still bearish. But I do like a couple of good things here. One of them being that we have the stochastic RSI oversold. It looks like it's just going to come through that 20 level. So, you know, we might get a little bit of a push. I mean, if you kind of look at this little zone here, last time the stochastic RSI was there, we did get a push up. And, you know, generally it's not a bad little signal, especially once it goes through the zero line. You can see there was a kind of move there and then it went higher. And generally it does lead to little moves up. So there's a good chance that we at least have a little push up, even if it's a small one. Okay, so just kind of look out for that right now. And I was also just looking just before we went on air at the MACD, and I thought there was something quite interesting here that I didn't speak about last time, which was we've kind of got this. The zero line is something that we look at for sure, and that's the most important one. But I kind of noticed that more recently, we found support essentially on this line here. And you can see that was the last time we got there. And then here, we had a really, really nice push up. And I was just thinking, wow, that's quite close to that. And so I thought that might be something interesting to kind of note, that actually that could do that and do that, which is what's happened in the past. So yeah, right now, I think we've got potentially a little push up in Bitcoin. Keep an eye on this 63 to 65 block. I think if we go through that, then I think we're off to the races, and I think we'll be hitting with 80 target, the kind of next sort of key level. But that's kind of it in a quick format update on what I'm currently seeing in Bitcoin. So go back and watch the full thing if you haven't.
Awesome. I don't know why we spend so long doing the live shows, mate, because you've dropped so many knowledge bombs in that 5 minutes. We could save so much extra time. But guys, if you're not understanding that, if you're new to the world of crypto, you're new to the world of trading, you're not sure, do I go down door number 1, which is crypto investing, which we've got our brand new product, or you've got door number 2, which is crypto trading. We have taken that decision away from you. You don't have to worry about that, whether you're making the right or wrong decision, because for Black Friday, if you buy the crypto investor course, you get the crypto trading course for free, 88% off the total value of everything that you're getting, over £17,500 worth of value, 88% off that total value amount. Guys, we can't do any more than that. Andy, can we do any more than that? Seriously, to celebrate Black Friday?
I might jump out the window, that's all.
Yeah, exactly that. But look, guys, it starts tonight, midnight, 1 minute after midnight. So as soon as Friday morning kicks in, you don't have to wait until you wake up in the morning. You can just get cracking straight away. So from 1 minute after midnight tonight, you can get involved, come behind the scenes, get all your login details, and start cracking on now. Whether you choose the crypto investor course or the trading course, which one would you recommend they started off with first, mate?
Well, you can ask Slavik. Slavik's one of our students on both, actually. But no, I think personally, I don't know. And it's good to kind of get the opinion of students, but I think that the investor program, they're getting a lot more support, and it's easier because essentially I'm doing the research, the groundwork, and then the goal for me is to help these guys to be able to, in 6 months' time, firstly have a great portfolio which is growing, but also learn some little ninja things that they can manage their money better. Because the reality is, guys, nobody has an open checkbook. At some point you run out of money, and so as more and more projects develop, you want to invest in them, you don't have any money. It's important that you're taking profit. So it's about knowing when to take some out, knowing how to do clever things with margin and dividends, so that you're growing your pot quicker, taking that money out, putting it into other projects, and you're just recycling. And really that's the process. And I think it's I think for most people that investing is the right way to do it. And I think for those that want to trade, you can use your trading skills to help you even with your investments, timing your entries a bit better and so on. But yeah, like sometimes, like there's a good example, one that we kind of recommended, Sand, when it was just it was about $3.80. The thing is like, as a trader, you're like, oh, let me try and get a pullback, but that was one that's just exploded. And so if you didn't take it at that price, you basically didn't get in. So sometimes it's better to just be kind of keep it simple. But yeah, it gives you the power to do both, I guess, is the important thing.
Awesome. And yeah, I think the thing is, click on the link below if you're new to crypto and that still doesn't make sense to you. We've done a whole training presentation. It's free. You get extended training from Andy. So at worst, you're going to come out with way more knowledge. Yeah, 100%. 100%. You're going to come out with way more knowledge, and then you make a decision but not on whether you go for the trading or for the investing, because they're coming together as a package deal for Black Friday only for the next 4 days. So guys, click on the link below, check out the crypto presentation we've got for you. You're going to love it. And then we'll see you on the other side. Clocks start, the gates open. You can pay for it from 1 minute past midnight tonight. We look forward to joining you and having you joining us as our student tribe. And yeah, we love you lots and see you tomorrow, guys. Oh, Slav's back in again. Investor program is great, clearly showing what to do to enter. Trading is great as well to get feeling on how to find possible pushback. Slav, you could have sent that a couple of minutes ago. That I only just needed to read that out and we could have been done. Exactly. That is a great testimonial.
He's not as quick as typing these kind of things, but he'll he's only mastered how to be first on the
get your priorities. I love your priorities, Slav. But yeah, thank you very much for that. Obviously, on a serious note, that's great to have you on board with that. And yeah, we did a little pre-launch to our crypto trading students because they're already understanding a bit more about the crypto market and they've done very well so far. Learned loads of new things as well. Now we're opening up to everybody else in the group. If you want to be part of it, you know what to do, guys. Anything you want to say before we bounce?
No, I think you said it all, my friend.
Perfect.
So guys, we'll catch you again soon. We'll be on again tomorrow, maybe, possibly.
Maybe.
We'll see.
Maybe.
We'll see. We'll check the diary.
See you later, guys.
Take care, guys.